Guys, the first thing that I want to tell you is that you don't have to take out the entire assembly like this to take out the lip. I have taken this assembly out so that I can show you guys properly how to remove this lip. So it is very simple to take this lip out, guys. So like the video now only, and if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So come on, let's start the video. So the first thing that you will have to do is come under the assembly, and you will notice that there are 3 screws here. So the first thing, take these 3 screws out. Now how to put this lip back when the assembly is on the bike, that also I will show you further in this video. So don't skip the video even a little bit. Now once you are done taking out these 3 screws, guys, you will notice that under the lip there is a rubber packing. So keep that rubber packing in a safe place, because while putting this lip back you will need that. Otherwise vibrations can come from here. And once you take out these 3 screws, you will have to come on the other side, and in between both the projector lights you will notice that there are 2 screws. These are very hidden type of screws, guys, so take them out carefully. And once you take out both the screws, there are 2 more screws, guys, that you will have to take out, and those 2 screws are under this lip. So you will have to pull the lip up slightly. Don't force it, guys, otherwise you can break the plate. Now to take out the 2 screws which are there under the lip, you will need a longer screwdriver. Because of that I am putting an extra extension on my cordless screwdriver, as you guys can see, so that my screwdriver will reach the screw. If you have a long screwdriver, then you can take the screws out with that. So once you take out these 2 screws, the plate which is there in the middle of the 2 projector lights will come out easily like this. See that you don't force and pull out the plate, because the wire is connected and goes through this plate and is connected to the plug. So pull the wire out a little bit so that the plug is visible. So here comes out my plug. Now you will have to disconnect this plug. Once you disconnect this plug, your lip will be totally separated from the assembly. How they have hidden this plug, you guys have seen that already. So here my lip is now totally separated from the bike, guys. So before I put it back, I will put the assembly on the bike, and by keeping the assembly on the bike, I will show you guys how to put this lip back. So here I have already put this assembly back on the bike. Now you will have to get your lip, and the first thing that we will do here is connect the plug. Once you connect the plug, the next thing that you will need is that plate, and this wire goes through the plate, guys. So see that you pass the wire through the plate first. Once you pass the wire through the plate, all the excess wire which is there outside, see that you push it in, and once you push it in, put both plate and lip in position like this. Once you put both of these in position, the first thing that you will have to do is you will have to put back the 2 screws which you had taken out from top here. Don't tighten them fully yet. And while putting these screws back, guys, see that you don't use a cordless screwdriver, because these are all plastic parts. If you over tighten them, then there are chances that these plastic parts can break. So you use a normal screwdriver or a tester to put back these screws. Now the top 2 screws I have put back already, and the 3rd screw also I am putting back from top of the lip, as you guys can see. But the 4th screw, guys, I cannot tighten it from the top of the lip. I will have to tighten it from bottom side of the lip. So the only way that I can tighten the last screw is to tighten it from under the lip. That is the reason why I am tightening this screw from under the lip here. Once you put back these 4 screws, see that you tighten all of them properly. And once you tighten them, the 3 screws that you had taken out from under the assembly, now it's time to put those 3 screws back. And with this you are done replacing your lip. How easy it was, you guys have seen that already. Now I already have lots of repair videos on KTM, guys. How to replace the visor, the oil, the coolant, and all that stuff I have done already. So if you want to watch all those videos, then I will put a link of those videos or the entire playlist in the end screens here. You can go there and check all of them out. So if you found this particular video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is RysFix signing out. Until we meet again.